Start remembering everything you learn. Zettelkasten Method. Zettelkasten is a method of knowledge management. This concept, developed by a German sociologist, Niklas Luhmann, is centered around the idea of connecting individual notes, or zettels, to create a vast web of knowledge, instead of looking at them separately. At its core, Zettelkasten is more than just a note-taking system. It's a way of thinking and processing information. Foundational principles. Each note or zettel should contain a single idea or piece of information. This ensures clarity and focus in each note. Notes are interconnected through links, which helps in building a network of ideas. These links can be thematic, hierarchical, associative, or any other kind. This allows a diversity of connections. The Zettelkasten is a living system, each of other notes, leading to new insights and ideas. The benefits of Zettelkasten. The Zettelkasten method offers us several advantages over traditional note-taking systems. Enhanced understanding. By breaking down complex topics into smaller, interconnected pieces, Zettelkasten helps you deeply understand the given information. Idea generation. The network of notes encourages us to combine different ideas, leading to creative insights and innovations. Long-term knowledge building. Zettelkasten is designed for lifelong learning and knowledge accumulation, and it is almost ideal for researchers, writers, and lifelong learners. Implementing Zettelkasten. Imagine you're learning philosophy by yourself without a curriculum. Here are a few steps to implement the Zettelkasten method in your learning. Choose your medium, digital or analog. Tools like Obsidian or Notion are great for digital. Establish a zettel creation process. When reading a philosophical text or listening to a lecture, jot down individual ideas or concepts on separate zettels. For example, Plato's theory of forms would be one zettel. It is also important to use your own words to write notes. Standardize note structure. Each zettel might include a concise title, for example, Plato's theory of forms, a summary or explanation in your own words, key quotes or references from the source material, tags like #Plato, #metaphysics for easy categorization. Implement effective linking. Link your note about Plato's theory to other relevant notes. For instance, you might link it to notes about metaphysics, epistemology, or even specific philosophers who were influenced by or critiqued Plato. Assign unique identifiers. If you're using digital tools, this will be automatic. In analog systems, you could use a simple numerical system like 001, 002, etc. In conclusion, this approach allows you to build a complex web of knowledge where each new concept or author doesn't exist in isolation, but is part of a broader, interconnected understanding.